Understanding the phrase, Tart Up, a guide to informal English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss, the meaning and usage of the phrase, Tart Up. This is a phrase that you might come across in informal English, and it has a very interesting background and usage. So, if you're ready to add another expression to your English vocabulary, stay tuned. Tart up is a phrasal verb that is used informally in English. The phrase has two main meanings. First, it can mean to make something look more attractive or appealing, usually through decoration or by adding something extra. For example, if someone says, "I need to tart up this room," they mean that they want to decorate or arrange the room to make it look nicer. The second meaning of tart up can be a bit more specific. It is sometimes used to refer to dressing oneself or someone else in a flashy or showy manner, often with the implication that the result is in some way excessive or in bad taste. For example, she really tarted herself up for the party. It's important to note that tart up is considered informal and is usually used in casual contexts. It's also worth mentioning that the phrase can sometimes have a negative connotation, especially when referring to how someone is dressed, as it may imply that the person is trying too hard to attract attention or is being inauthentic. Let's look at some examples to see how tart up can be used in sentences. 1. I'm going to tart up my apartment before the guests arrive. 2. She tarted herself up in a glittery dress and high heels for the nightclub. 3. He decided to tart up his car with some flashy new rims. In each of these examples, tart up is used to describe the act of making something, or someone, look more attractive or noticeable in a way that is potentially over the top or flashy. While tart up can be a fun and colorful way to express the idea of beautifying something, it's important to use it with caution due to its potential negative connotations, especially when referring to a person's appearance. It's always crucial to be respectful and considerate in your choice of words, and to be aware of how certain phrases might be perceived by others. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, tart up. We hope this video has been informative and has helped to clear up any confusion about how and when to use this phrase. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and using it wisely is key to effective and respectful communication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning content.